My name is Dr. Nina Bemke, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at NUI Galway. I'm working on the Haven Research Project sponsored by the Sustainable Energy Authority of Ireland. Haven aims to complete a health impact assessment and a health economic evaluation of energy renovations in Irish domestic dwellings. The study is recruiting homes who are planning an energy renovation to post-BR B2 or greater. There are two parts. In the first part, 30 homes will have the indoor air quality measured before and after the energy renovations. We look at pollutants such as fine particles, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, radon, and also collect data on temperature and relative humidity. We will also measure ventilation rates before and after the retrofit. The second part involves the completion of a health questionnaire. 150 people will be recruited to complete this questionnaire before and after their homes have been renovated. An additional 150 people living in comparable homes to the renovation homes will be asked to complete a questionnaire to act as a control group. Many of the homes participating in Haven are based in County Kildare. We are very grateful for the support of the Kildare County Council.